से मेरी है।
अरे वाह, क्या बात है, आज तो टेस्टिमनी पे टेस्टिमनी. अच्छा,
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
thank you. Testimony for Safal Disha Vastu course. Respected Shresh sir, I am incredibly grateful for the guidance and wisdom I received from you. Your deep knowledge of Vastu Shastra combined with a practical and compassionate teaching style made learning both insightful and empowering. You not only taught the principles of Vastu but also inspired a deeper awareness of harmony in my environment and life. Oh. Each session was filled with clarity, structure, and real world application that helped me understand the profound connection between space and energy. I have already enrolled for Safal Numerology course and I am certainly planning to learn Safal Devta Vastu course from you. I wholeheartedly recommend you to anyone who want to learn Vastu Shastra and want to achieve success and growth not only in the field of Vastu Shastra but also overall in the field of occult sciences. अरे वाह. Safal Astro Vastu Education and Research Institute, Mumbai, Shresh Shah sir, S3. Thank you so much once again. 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 Thank you for this wonderful testimony. Thank you so much.